everyone, welcome back to Cooking with TK. Today you guys, I'm going to show you how I made this Kentucky bourbon baked barbecue chicken at home in my oven. The exact barbecue sauce that I use, the exact time for baking this barbecue chicken in your oven so that you can have some juicy, moist chicken legs. Let's get into this video. But I broke into the chicken. Y'all know I had to taste it. And I want y'all to see that it's cooked thoroughly. This chicken is, see? See? It's moist. It's moist, y'all. And it's done all the way through. See that? Yeah, I hope y'all try this recipe. Okay, everyone, so here I have some chicken. I'm gonna wash this chicken because y'all see that yellow stuff on there. We're gonna try to get this yellow stuff off this chicken, and we're gonna make some barbecue chicken. Okay, let me show y'all what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use some olive oil. I got me some smoked paprika, some onion powder, some Slap Your Mama seasoning, some Larry seasoning salt, some granulated garlic powder, and some ground black pepper, and I'm gonna use a Sazon packet. So that's what I'm gonna use today, and I'm gonna use some barbecue sauce. So you can use whatever kind of barbecue sauce you got. But let me go ahead and wash this chicken first, and then I'll be back, okay? Okay, so let's get ready to season our chicken. I'm gonna add in some of the smoked paprika. Add enough to cover all your pieces of chicken, okay? I'm gonna add in some of the onion powder. Slap Your Mama seasoning. And don't say I'm putting too much seasoning in because I got a chicken all at the bottom of this. And I'm gonna have to mix it all in. So add you some seasoning salt. And if you don't want to use salt, you don't have to, okay? Gonna add in some garlic powder. And now I'm gonna add in some ground black pepper. Okay. And then lastly, I'm gonna add in some olive oil. Now you can use regular cooking oil, but you don't need but a little bit of this oil, okay? And then we got our Sazon packet. Don't want to forget that. Okay. So now we're just gonna mix all these seasonings in here together like this. Just mix it all in and get it all on your chicken, okay? Okay. So I have my chicken well seasoned, everyone. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover this and I'm gonna sit it in the refrigerator and I'm gonna let it marinate at least 30 minutes to an hour, okay? And then we're gonna get ready to go ahead and bake this chicken. Okay, so I have taken it out of the fridge. I've placed it in a foil pan. And what I'm going to do is I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. Y'all see how well seasoned that chicken is? I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pop this in the oven. I'm gonna cover it with aluminum foil and I'm going to allow this to cook for 1 hour and 20 minutes, okay? I'm gonna cook these legs for 1 hour and 20 minutes at 350 degrees. Let me repeat it again. I'm going to bake this chicken, these chicken legs, for 1 hour and 20 minutes covered with aluminum foil in the oven at 350 degrees. And then I'm gonna pull it out and I'm gonna show you the next step, okay? Okay, so after an hour and 20 minutes of cooking our chicken covered, I took the foil off. So now what I'm going to do is all the juices that the chicken has created on its own. I didn't have to put any water in here, no chicken broth, no nothing. And this chicken broth that it created is very delicious. So if you guys want to take that and save that and use it, go ahead, because it's delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna drain the liquid out, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna put the barbecue sauce on here. Oh gosh. Okay, so I poured barbecue sauce over my chicken. I thought I was hitting record, but I didn't. And also, the kind of barbecue sauce that I'm using is sweet Kentucky bourbon flavor barbecue sauce, y'all. It tastes really good, and I add a small amount of brown sugar. And I didn't get to record it, but I added some brown sugar, about 2.5 tablespoons. And I'm gonna go back in the oven with this, and I'm gonna cook this for about 15-20 more minutes. And I'm gonna heat it under the broiler as well, okay? So I'll be back. Okay, so I'm going to turn my oven on broil, okay? And I'm gonna cook this on broil, and I'm gonna allow my chicken for about 10 minutes. I mean about 4 to 5 minutes on broil, okay? Darn, I thought I had recorded it again, but I broke into the chicken. Y'all know I had to taste it, and I want y'all to see that it's cooked thoroughly. This chicken is, see, it's moist. It's moist, y'all, and it's done all the way through. See that? Yeah, I hope y'all try this recipe. Okay, everyone, here we have our oven-baked barbecue chicken legs. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. And the way that it's done, it looks just like it had probably been on a grill. Like it really was barbecued outside, and it has that flavor, but it was basically cooked in the oven. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below. Stay tuned to my channel for another video. Peace. Have a great day.